Welcome to Data Engineers Academy. Stop downloading multi-gigabytes of S3 files to your local hard drive just to re-upload them to BigQuery. That creates massive disk bottlenecks and doubles your network latency. In this video, I will show you how to stream data directly from AWS S3 into Google BigQuery under 20 lines of Python code with zero local disk input and output. Started. Most developers do a two-step process, like followed by files and loading them into the BigQuery. Instead, we connect directly to the S3 byte stream over HTTPS and pipe those raw chunks straight into the BigQuery ingestion API. This achieves zero memory usage regardless of file size. Now I am going to search for the file, which is already provided in the description, which is like a project file. Otherwise, we can create a new file like S3 to BigQuery project file. You can download from description link already provided. Open it. It will open like this, it is having some env files existed, so download like this. I already given a zip. Go to that URL directly, it will download it into our desktop. So just click on it and open it. Having env files and with a Python code. Or you can directly download it from this, like go back, and here you can see code. Just clicking on that and download it. You can download directly into your files. So you can approach like this from description link already provided. So open this, you can see env file and S3 to BigQuery, and also having env file like project ID. You have to change this project ID into our original project. For that we are having account, Google Cloud account, and also next service account path we have to specify that. Before that we are going to create a service account. Go to Google BigQuery, like service accounts, click enter, click service accounts. Page will be redirected like this. In that we have seen many of the service accounts. We can create new account also. Click on create service account. Here we have to give new service account. I am giving like S3 to BigQuery using Python. So BQ. Click on create and continue. Next we are going to give permissions like BigQuery admin directly. Otherwise we can give BigQuery data editor or job user. Here I have full access, so I am giving directly admin role. Otherwise you can give data editor or job user, that's enough. And also with that, more important, storage object admin is very important. or you can give like storage admin or storage object viewer like this, and click continue and click done. Review the rest and same. Here we have, yes, copy that. Here no key generated. Click on that service account and click on keys. Go to keys, add keys, create new key. Click on JSON, create OK. Then we will create a key, private key. It will be directly downloaded into our files. Just keep secure this file. Just create a path for that. We can directly clicking on right click, we can get copy as path or copy it, or from by clicking on here directly we can copy the path link. You have to give that path link here in Python environmental file .env file, so that we can right click on it and copy and paste here. It is having same, you remove that. Yeah, okay. Now next, BigQuery dataset ID, which is our local dataset in BigQuery. For that I am going to BigQuery. Let me go to BigQuery. Let me close this and next open the BigQuery. Search for BigQuery, click on BigQuery, then you redirect like this, or you can see our datasets in that. Create table. We are going to create a table like employee. For that we are having Python code. I'm going to give the table like in this schema. For every table you have to specify the schema here. According to your data you have to change the schema right here in Python code. I am having ID integer, name string, and salary integer like the data types. So I have to change this into table name as employee and go down. Schema is to be added. Add file field like ID integer, and next all are same. Next field name is to be string. Next field salary, that's going to give like salary, and it is to be integer. Going down and going to advanced options and giving like here I have to see create. So it is an empty table. We have datasets here, or otherwise we have to click on the icon like this, Classic Explorer. Under this we have employee table created. Click on three dots, click on query. You can get the query like this. You can see that click star here and run the query. You can get there is no data to display. So we are creating just empty table. We have to load the data directly S3 into this BigQuery table right now by using this Python code. So going to S3, first we have to see Python Yes, dataset name is taken from here. Data is dataset, giving this into the .env file, and BigQuery table ID is same, so that I didn't change the name. You can change their names exactly. And next, going to access key and secret access key. For that, I am going to AWS, Amazon S3. So for that, I am clicking on S3, which is our bucket. Already having some buckets like this. I need to search for my bucket, or let me create a new bucket. Okay, no bucket here. We are going to see some buckets here. I create a new bucket. Already we are having a bucket, then going to that bucket. Let me show how to create a bucket. I taking this same bucket name as tortoise. Then I am going to create don't change the other, just going to click on OK. So create bucket is already having this bucket name, so it should be unique. I am giving tortoise 2 as my bucket name. Now rest of the things same, and create directly clicking on create bucket. Then we redirect like this. Then here we have to upload. So here click on upload. Then you add files. Click on add files, so that you have to redirect it into your desktop, and then going to upload the employee file, which is already having the text format or CSV format. I want to click upload. Uploading successful. Then close IAM users. Click on it. Then here we are having some users here showing like this. Click on the user, or you can create a user. I already have a user. Create the user access key. For that I am going to give some permissions. I have already permissions policy. Add permissions. Click on add permissions. Here we can copy the permissions from other buckets. Just I am copying some like this. We have to have Azure S3 full access, and a JSON file has to be uploaded. If we didn't have any list that object in the storage file, for listing, editing and viewing purposes, we are adding some permissions. Clicking next, clicking JSON and next. You can get the file like this. It will be available like this. So I had for list bucket, get object, put object, delete object for the S3, and I have to give that resources for the specific user. So that I am creating next. Clicking on next, save changes. Just click on save. You can update it like this. So we have to give permissions full access and also some object permissions. Then here already one key exists, So I can create axis key, another axis key, click axis key, click on CLI. We are redirected like this, and just click on next or give this confirmation checkbox. Click on next. Then will be redirected like this. Description tag, it is optional. Click on create access key. You can create it like this. Just save this access key and secret access key for our next approach. Or you can download that JSON file also. I just saved into my notebook. Like this, you can generate access key for any user. I am just showing another user. I am going to use click on it, this user, and same like create create access key like this, and I am giving that credential in the .env file, so that I am going to edit this access key ID first, and next I am going to change my AWS secret access key. For that I am going to open the notepad, then I am going to search for my AWS keys. Yeah, now changed this, and the AWS region is exactly same. You can change as you can. And now I am going to check for the bucket. I want to specify the S3 bucket name there in .env file. For that I am going to let me go to our S3 bucket and copy the name, bucket name. Then I am going to edit here S3 bucket name, and next I am going to change the file, clicking on the file bucket. Then we redirect here, our bucket name is same. Let us execute this in VS Code, go into our file and run. Then you can see here the 10 minutes like this, and go down. If we have the Python installed, then we will have directly ingested the data from our S3 to dataset, which is BigQuery dataset. It will show like this GCP project, and is successfully data transferred to our bucket. That's it. For this one, we have to download the Python .env file. I have to specify here as looking Python code. You can change your data accordingly, or you can change your Python code according to your data. BigQuery successful status. Thank you for visiting. Do subscribe for more videos.